I'm waiting for a load and there is a Sam's Club here. So let's go buy some chicken. Let's go. My people, how you doing?
Good, yes, sir, bro.
I am blessed. So how long have you been a truck driver?
It's almost been 6 years now.
Wow. So I'm in Pennsylvania, York, and I'm waiting for a load. So I came to Sam's Club. I said, okay, let me buy some chicken. So these are the chickens in Sam's Club, and this whole chicken cost $5 in the United States, and it is 3 pounds. 3 pounds. So I'm taking one to go and put it in my truck. Sushi. Pennsylvania, PA. Ooh. It is hot. It's very hot. Yeah, I've been told that this perfume smells really good. Yeah, I will need to buy one day. This is a club and you have to have membership before you can pay here. So I'm about to pay. It's time to pay. I've paid. It came up to $6.28 with tax. So now I'm about to check out and go and put it in the fridge of my truck. Okay, thanks. So check the price and let me know in the comment section whether it is a good deal. The chicken is 3 pounds and it is for $5. Check it in your currency and let me know whether it is a good deal. I think it's a great deal. It is a very good deal. $5 for 3 pounds.